Alright guys, boarding day. There's a ship, Utopia of the Seas. We're at Port Canaveral, and there's a line to start it. Let's get on board. Finish, check in, and we are boarding this way. Yeah, awesome, huh? Welcome aboard. You can wait in the lounge, but forget that. We're going on board. Thank you. Ship this way. And we are on our trip already. Oh, yeah. And the gangway. Let's go on board. Woo, baby. We're going, and then we're going to complete our mustard station drill. Get that all checked up. And then let's go get some lunch. But there we are, Utopia. Woohoo! Look at that. The gangway to the promenade. All right. We're going to check her out. And we are already on board at 10 in the morning. Woohoo! Good morning! How are you this morning? Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Here we are. We made it. Oh my gosh, we made it. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. Oh, and it's empty still. Oh, fantastic. Woo. Oh yeah, this ship is still empty. Nobody's here. People enjoying at Sorrento's Oasis class ship. A new elevator. You just gotta push the button. I think Windjammer is on 15, so we're gonna push 15 and hope for the best. So it says we're gonna go to D elevator, which is this one, and that one will arrive. And there it is. Okay, perfect. We're gonna ride on Friday elevator. All right, guys. Let's go. And there's no buttons in here, so this is actually going to take us to the floor that we pre-selected. Oh wow, that is pretty dang cool, I think. Yeah. We'll find out. But I think we pushed the wrong button because this is taking us to pool deck, and I think the Windjammer on this ship is in 14 now because it's one deck below the pool deck. But 15. Well, good luck. Let's find it. Here's the food truck. We're going to try a snack. Okay. All right, let's get something to eat. What do we got here? Ooh, veggie wraps. Chipotle chicken sandwich. Ooh, that looks delicious. Hey, good morning. How are you today? What's a tornado?
It's like a spring roll with cheese and beef and pepperoni inside, and we have the cheese and meat inside.
It's like a spring roll? Yeah. Okay, we might have to try that. All right, till the Windjammer opens. What do you want to try?
Little mini chimneys.
Adult pool area. It's empty now, guys. We haven't left port. All the lounge chairs. It's pretty nice. Hot tub. Yeah. The Windjammer. I was mistaken. It's not on the full deck. It's underneath the basketball in the back, but it now wraps all the way around. So it's much larger, just like on the Wonder of the Sea. So we're going to go there in a little bit when they open, and we're going to try it out. And Utopia of the Seas. That's looking down at the boardwalk. And of course, that's the Italian restaurant. I forgot what it's called. Yeah, but it goes all the way around. Cool. Put your hands. Oh yeah, we're. Oh, ice shaving. Oh man, ice carving. Okay. I have lobster tail tartare on sailing day. Amazing. And shrimp cocktail. Yeah, you lost me. I'm just videoing.
Not you, Tony. I think I lost her.
Sprinkles. I'm gonna get me one of those.
You have to save the wristbands in the ground in your stateroom when it's breaking. Please make sure to bring all of your children to the assembly station so we can explain safety 1, 2, 3. Remember, the sooner you are checked in at your assigned station, the sooner.
Let's go to the solarium. That overhangs. Good views. Okay, here's the solarium and the bistro. Wow, the solarium is totally enclosed. Plenty of walk. The bistro is not open yet, but looks like they're setting up. And the bar atrium. Perfect, nice looking. Like pool up here. Lounge chairs over there. And just plenty of places just to relax. Sorrento's.
Oh, it says it can't be added.
Why can't it be added?
I'm gonna try again.
Oh, Sorrento's barbecue chicken. Let's eat. Yum. Okay, we're at Schooner Bar, the main promenade, Focus Picture Gallery, and then the boardwalk. Oh wow, that's some good stuff. Dollhouse, the Carousel, Johnny Rockets, and Playmakers over there. I hope you know you're going to be in this video a lot. Okay, got a hot dog right outside the Ferris wheel at the doghouse. Let's try. I got their potato salad and a little bit of the coleslaw. Let's go.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Dining room and Utopia Station. That's right. This is Deck 4 is that Royal Railroad. It's a themed restaurant. Cool, huh?
Hi, welcome aboard.
Going through.
So y'all checking in for the key program? No, we're not.
We're in the casino. We haven't left port, so we cannot gamble, but there it is, man. Studio B, we got the Crown, we're on Deck 4, the Royal Theater, and then we have the attic here with our person in front. We're in Central Park, walking around the ship, enjoying it. Look at that, it's Izumi. You're into that. The collections over there. And then that's the park cafes down here. It's a little windy now, huh? And then of course that rising bar comes up through one of these. And it's just a nice place to chill and relax. Let's enjoy. Zoom in the park. Okay. Well, we're in the main dining room. Look at that before sailing. Wow, looks nice, huh? And the tapestry.